Hello and welcome to another behind the scenes video at Calm Belly Kitchen. Today I have a very special announcement. The ultimate guide to the FODMAP diet is available now. This guide is completely free to you, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on it, what's in it and what are my favorite parts, and how we plan to use the guide to grow our community and spread the word about the FODMAP diet. So if you want to get the guide, then keep watching. If we have never met before, I'm Julie O'Hara, the founder of Calm Belly Kitchen, and this channel is your #1 source for all things IBS and FODMAP. So if you are interested in learning more about those topics, please hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell too so you never miss a video from me. Since I know you can't wait to get your hands on the guide, the link is in the description box and up here in the cards. So just go to that link, put in your info, and we will get it straight to your inbox. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's hop over to my computer and actually look at what's in this thing. Okay guys, here is the ultimate guide. Thank you to everyone who voted on your favorite cover. So it was actually very close. The vegetable one had a lot of people who loved it, but this is the one that won out in the end. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a table of contents, and you can just see everything that's in here from the table of contents. And this is clickable, which is so cool. So if you want to go to chapter 1, boop, we're at chapter 1. Okay, so this book, or this guide, is really more of an ebook. It is 32 pages, and it covers the basics of what the FODMAP diet is, who it's for, what the benefits are, what FODMAPs are, what food you can actually eat. There is a up-to-date food list in here as well. And then it gets into some of the stuff that isn't really talked about enough on the FODMAP diet. And that's what brings us to one of my favorite parts of the whole guide. So it goes through other factors that affect your results on the FODMAP diet. So this is almost a checklist of things to pay attention to. And then we have a whole section on other ways to manage your symptoms or to prevent IBS symptoms. So again, taking out FODMAPs is a huge part of it, but if you employ some of these other strategies, you're going to be feeling even better. So we talk specifically about IBS-C, IBS-D. We have a whole list of things to do to help with bloating. We also have a full 3-day meal plan to get you started, so with recipes. So all of this fabulous food, and you just click the link and you can get a printable meal plan with all of the recipes right there for you to use. And along with the meal plan, there is a list of over 50 low FODMAP snacks. So that is just another one of the many awesome things you're going to find in this guide. Again, the ultimate guide is 100% free to you. So all you have to do to get it is go to that link in the description or in the cards and click here, put in your info, and we will get the guide straight to your inbox. So as you can see, this guide is packed with value no matter what stage of the FODMAP diet you're at. We truly wanted to go above and beyond with this guide because we want to spread the word about FODMAP and we want it to help grow our community so we can help more people. Because maybe someone doesn't even know about the FODMAP diet and they come across this guide and they're not totally overwhelmed by it and they can use it to actually get some relief. And then, if you like the guide and you like our style, we can continue to support you in our private membership community, Calm Belly Club. Calm Belly Club is where we have our in-depth FODMAP diet programs, online events, guided support, and a whole community of people to learn from and engage with. Now, as you know, it's my goal to grow Calm Belly Club to 1,000 members by the end of the year, and our next big member enrollment period is coming up in June. We'll be announcing the date very, very shortly. Now, the enrollment period will only be open for 1 week, so if you are thinking about joining, go to the link that's up here in the cards. It'll also be in the description box, and sign up to be notified. So if you go there and sign up, you will get a notification when we open for enrollment for new members in June. Now, if you are getting the guide or you've already signed up to get it, I want you to go leave a comment on this video and say, I'm getting the guide. That's all you have to say. And I am completely serious. I want this video to have a ton of comments so that I know you're getting it and I know you're as excited as I am. This guide has been months, many months in the making, and I couldn't have done it without freelancers, without my awesome member experience specialist, Joan Estep, who was a huge help in actually getting it finished. And now it's out there for you guys, and I can't wait to hear what you think, so please go ahead and leave a comment. Now, this video is part of a series of behind the scenes vlogs that I've been doing, so if you want to get caught up on all the behind the scenes stuff, you can go over here and check out this playlist right here. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps YouTube get the video out there to more people. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Get the free guide, let me know what you think, and until next time, have a calm belly life.